Hey, Alayna.
What?
What's in the box right here?
A JoJo Siwa shell.
JoJo?
Siwa shell!
Is it a CY or Siwa? Are you sure it's not Siwa?
It can be both.
Oh, it can be both?
Yeah.
Okay, you tell JoJo. Say, JoJo, your name can be both. Anyway.
No,
all right, so we're going to open up this box. And then we'll show you, maybe we'll even do a little, time-lapse video of putting it together. All right. Okay, important information straight from the beginning. The very first step. If they would like to, these folks here, whoever it is, Delta children, would like to, some tips on their instructions. One, this piece doesn't even, like down here in the bottom, it doesn't even exist in the kit. But something that would have been helpful, you notice how these pieces have little grooves on them? Well, if you look at my pieces down here, I've got a groove on this side, but my grooves are over here on these two pieces. So it's my fault, but that would have been something helpful in the instructions to just put a little groove on that piece, just to show that, hey, by the way, your grooves need to match up. So when you slide, you slide these little pieces in, that everything matches up. Okay, here, well, I could take it back apart and we'll start over. Okay, there we go. Whew, oh my gosh. Backside, side, as you can see. Oh my gosh, these instructions must have been made by IKEA. But, you get it. Anyway, here we go. JoJo Siwa dresser. I think my wife got this off of Amazon. Yeah, got off Amazon. The box says Amazon on it. So I'll put a link in the description for you. But here, let me get it up against the wall. But it's pretty cool. It's just about, I do have a tape measure. Here, hold on just a second. I'll measure it for you. All right, how wide is it, Alayna?
23.
23, is it right at the 23 or is it just past it? I think it was like 23 and some change. So yeah, it was like 23 and 5/8, I think it was. All right, how wide from here to here? The turn, there you go.
I'm gonna put that behind that.
Yeah, all right. Wait, all the way, what do you got?
10.
Oh, 10 and what? Just past? 10 and 3/4. All right. And how tall is it from the ground to the top? Well, I mean, you got to be all the way at the flat edge. Here, look at here. Oh, it's 35. There you go. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Because you can, there's like a lot of cool things, but on the side, it feels like these stuff are stickers, but they're not.
Yeah.
And on this side, I love it because it's so pretty and cool.
It's so pretty and cool, huh?
And it's so sparkly and shiny clean.
Ooh, yeah. Well, yeah, that won't take long for you to mess that up.
Ow!
Oh, goodness. No, you definitely like JoJo, don't you? I mean, no, look, you got JoJo Siwa bedspread, there's bows and all like I said, the underside. This was actually a pretty cool little find on Facebook.
I got a lot of JoJo Siwa stuff.
Her covers here. Pillow. Another pillow. Hey, JoJo.
Well,
peace.
Can I tell
Anyway,
you
yep. What are you going to say?
I got lots of JoJo stuff. I got JoJo jammies, JoJo pants, and JoJo dress, and JoJo shirt.
All right, we'll say bye, JoJo.
Bye, JoJo.